Sara's Shining Choice. Sara loved everything about Oakwood Elementary. She loved the tall glass windows that let the sun dance on the floor, and she loved the quiet hum of the library. Most of all, Sara loved to learn. Every morning, she zipped up her yellow backpack and skipped to class, ready to fill her head with new ideas. One Tuesday morning, her teacher, Mr. Harris, stood at the front of the room. "Today is our big math challenge," he announced with a kind smile. Sara felt a little flutter in her tummy. She had practiced her multiplication tables all weekend, but numbers sometimes did a dizzy dance in her head. As Sara sat down at her desk and turned over her paper, she gasped. There, scratched lightly into the wood of her desk in pencil, were the answers to the first 10 questions. A student from the earlier class must have left them behind. They were right there, clear as day. Sara's heart began to beat like a little drum. If she used those numbers, she would surely get an A+. She wouldn't have to worry about the dizzy numbers or the hard long division. It would be so easy, she whispered to herself. She looked around, but nobody was watching. But then, Sara thought about the Star of Honesty poster on the wall. She thought about how proud she felt when she finished a puzzle all by herself. An A+ from the desk wouldn't be her A+, it would be a borrowed one. With a firm nod, Sara took her blue pencil case and slid it right over the pencil marks. The classroom was silent except for the rhythmic scritch-scratch of pencils. Sara worked slowly. She had to count on her fingers twice, and she had to erase one answer 3 times. It was much harder than just copying the desk, but she didn't move her pencil case even an inch. The next day, Mr. Harris returned the graded papers. Sara's friend Leo turned his over and cheered. "I got a 100, he whispered. Sara looked down at her own paper. In the corner was a small green bird sticker and the number 75. It wasn't a perfect score, but it was an honest one. After the final bell rang, Mr. Harris asked Sara to come to his desk. Sara felt a little nervous. Had she done something wrong? "Sara," Mr. Harris said gently, "I noticed something this morning when I was cleaning the desks. I saw the marks that were left on your desk by accident." Mr. Harris smiled, "And I saw how you covered them up and chose to do the work yourself. That 75 is the most beautiful grade in the room, Sara, because it belongs entirely to you. Honesty is a light that stays bright even when things are hard." Sara felt a glow in her chest that was warmer than any sunbeam. From that day on, Sara worked even harder. She practiced her numbers until they stopped dancing and started to make sense. By the end of the year, Sara didn't need any secrets or shortcuts. She stood at the front of the class, the